What's up fam, it's your boy Mohamed and we are back with another vlog. Today I got a very cool vlog for you guys where I am finally installing some new rims on my A91 Supra. Now these rims that I just picked up are rims that I've been trying to get for the past few years. They're either out of stock or a huge wait list and you have to wait 9 to 12 months to get them. But just recently I hit up a spot in Dubai, which is the dealer of this brand, and surprisingly they said they only have one set available and they can get it to me within a month. And I instantly put the deposit on it and got it ordered, and they've just arrived today. So today here in Bahrain we're gonna get them installed. So I just loaded all my rims on my truck. Here they are. I want to show you the brand. You guys will see it in a second. I actually did not open this yet, so my driver is gonna follow me and we're gonna head in the Supra. Here's a quick before video of the car. Obviously you're gonna see it the same once we get there too, but yeah, just wanted to show it properly. We're ready to go. Yeah, I know it sounds like a BMW. And of course we got the Nigel Sylvester brakes on, in case you were wondering. And right behind me is my driver. Oh, and by the way, that Ford Raptor over there used to be in the States with me. This car's been everywhere. It's been to Los Angeles, Vegas, and now in Bahrain. And it used to be supercharged with around like 700 horsepower. But now it's almost stock. And in case you're wondering, those are Yokohama mountain tires. So we just pulled up at Yokohama in Budaya here in Bahrain, and we are about to see the rims for the first time. So as you can see, definitely went with BBS's, and here is the rim itself. Got my hands on the LMs, finally. Let me know what you guys think. And of course the rims came with these black caps, but I went ahead and ordered the red ones to maybe match the brake calipers. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'm gonna install these for now, but let me know if I should go back to the black ones. But yeah, they had blue ones, but they were not in stock. Okay, so it's not gonna be as fast as I thought because it just got into a little hiccup. So basically, last time I got my tires changed, they used these special locks to remove the rim, but we lost the lock. It's not in the car anymore. So basically it's gonna take a little longer, so my driver just has to go pick one up from Toyota. I believe they have one over there, and he's gonna be driving right back to get that done. So fingers crossed, hopefully we can get that done today. Let me show you guys the wheel locks that I'm talking about. So basically, all of these over here are the normal locks, and as you can see, that's wheel lock that you need specifically for these, so you can't just use any lock. Basically this is just to prevent theft and no one will steal your rims. But yeah, in this case it made me not be able to change my rims, so slight delay. Yeah, and by the way, if you guys are in Bahrain and you need tires, this is definitely the place. Yokohama and Budaya. Okay guys, some more bad news. It's not as easy as I thought. It's just go and get the lock and come back. Apparently I have to order one. They don't want to give me the spare one that they're using, so I'm gonna try to get there on time before they close. Hopefully they can remove it themselves off my car and head back to the tire shop and have them just install it without the lock being on it anymore. So hopefully that works. Wish us luck. Hey guys, just a quick update, just because I couldn't film this earlier and I was getting really busy driving all over the place. So basically, before my driver got to Toyota, we had spoke to someone at the parts center if they had the parts. So when the driver head over to go there, they told me, yes, but we have to order it for you. Perfect, right? But hey, that's all good because the workshop is right next to the parts center and they have to have it there, right? So he goes to the parts center and asks the guy, they have the part, and they're like, yes, we do, but he has to bring the car over. So I start heading over there, and when I get there, I park the car and I see 3 gentlemen heading to my car. I'm like, yes, perfect, it's happening. They're removing the locks. But no, the 3 gentlemen that came over came to tell me that we do not have the lock. Every Supra lock is completely different from the other, and we'll have to break it off, or we can't break it off today. We'll have to come back after the weekend, which is in 3 days. I'm like, perfect. amazing. And here's where the video takes off. Guys, you won't believe it. I pulled a mission impossible today. I seriously pulled a mission impossible today. I went to 2 Toyota service centers and both did not have the locks. They kept on saying that the locks that are from existing Supras are not like my Supra. So basically, I needed to order another part or wait for them to try to find out how they can remove them, but they had no locks that will open my rims. So then, as I was leaving the second service center, I saw a tire shop right across and a Supra parked inside. So I went in and asked the guys that worked there if they had the lock. They didn't, but the very kind owner of the Supra, which he had his rims changed, had said that maybe he still has his lock in his car. So he went out of his way, opened his trunk and found the security lock, and we took that lock to check if it's gonna fit on mine, and it turned out it fit exactly. So basically, what Toyota was saying, that all locks are different and they didn't want to even help me or try to help me, turned out that they had the lock all along. So now, locks are finally off and I'm going back to Yokohama to have my rims hopefully finally installed. So inshallah it all works out. And we're finally back at Yokohama. Don't want to run those kids over. You can see the excitement in his face. Getting the car back up, and now it's time to change the rims. Finally got the rims installed, and now let's show you the final result. Guys, you don't understand how much I like this car. It is honestly one of the most underrated cars, I think, in today's market, because you literally have a BMW for Toyota pricing, and when you take the car to service as well, you're not paying BMW pricing, you are paying Toyota service. Fast and fun to mod. Super stoked that I finally got these rims. Did take a minute to get them fixed, but it is what it is. Definitely worth it. About 4 hours to get this done, just because of that security lock. A huge shout out to the guy that helped me. I wouldn't have been able to get this done today, and that would have really sucked just going back home without having the rims installed. So very thankful for that. And has a BMW chime. I actually brought the car to go to the car wash, but turned out that that car over there is the last car they're gonna do for the night, unfortunately. If you guys want to see more mods on the Supra, let me know what you guys think and what I should do next. I was thinking maybe some side skirts, lip, maybe change the fenders, but I don't want to go too crazy. I want to keep it nice and simple and clean. And like I said, the rims actually came with black caps, but I wanted to go with the red to match the brake calipers. What do you guys think? Should I leave it as red or put it back to what it was, black? But yeah, that's all I got for today. If you guys like this episode, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll see you guys soon.